Now the first thing is I've got this of my computer. That means microphone or jack, and in the front I've got computer. Now let's look at my sound settings. Preferences. No. Volume control. So, recording captures on. Now this is turned off for some reason, but it doesn't seem to matter. Other thing is microphone captures turned on, mic boosts turned on. Nothing else is turned on, you see? Mic select is mic 2. If I selected mic 1, it would be the back, which doesn't work. And the mono output select is mix, and not microphone. And here I've turned the master mono down. So let's take a look at the other settings. Recording. Here microphone's turned on analog device. Playback, capture. This thing. And it doesn't always work, but now it seems to be working. So let's look at my Skype settings. Sound devices. So I turned this off, allow Skype to automatically adjust my mixer level. So that was a tip that someone gave me. Everything else is set up to pulse. Now, he typed in sudo etc initd also utilities stop, and comment that out, and then start or restart. Welcome to Skype testing. Okay. So this is a test of the test call system. Blah blah blah. Let's see what happens. Da 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 da. This takes. I'm recording at the moment. It didn't work, but it worked before. I'm going to send this video to YouTube, and then you guys can figure it out. Okay, thanks, bye.